You know, uh, you won't believe this, but I was talking to my cousin yesterday,
Okay.
and he asked me if I played Minecraft.
Wow.
And I was like really taken aback because like he's only 8.
Oh, wow.
So I got me thinking like, why is this game so
Yeah.
popular with like people of all ages?
That is a great question. It really does seem like everybody is playing these days,
It really does.
from kids to adults.
Totally.
Um, and I think one reason is that it's like a digital sandbox.
Okay.
You can do anything you want in Minecraft.
Right.
Like build a house, explore a cave, even fight monsters.
Yeah.
It's all up to you.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
It's like a digital sandbox.
Yeah.
I remember when I first tried it,
Okay.
I spent hours just building a simple house.
Uh-huh.
Like, it was so satisfying just to like see it all come together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
And the best part is there's no right or wrong way to play.
Right.
You can be as creative as you want.
Exactly. And if you don't feel like building, you can just explore the world.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, there are so many different biomes to discover,
Yeah.
from forests and deserts to oceans and even the nether.
Oh, and don't forget the end.
Oh, it's right.
That's where you fight the Ender Dragon.
Yeah.
Talk about an epic adventure.
Oh, yeah. The Ender Dragon, that's a classic Minecraft challenge.
It is.
But even if you're not into, like, fighting bosses,
Yeah.
there's still so much to see and do in this game.
Totally.
You can go mining for diamonds,
Oh, yeah.
build a farm, or even create your own mini games with redstone.
Hold on, Redstone.
Yeah.
For those of us who are new to Minecraft,
Okay.
can you explain what that is?
Sure. Redstone is like electricity in Minecraft.
Oh, right.
So you can use it to create all sorts of cool things,
Okay.
like automatic doors, hidden traps, and even working computers.
What?
I know it can get pretty complex, but it's super rewarding when you figure out how to make something work.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I always thought of Minecraft as like a pretty simple game,
Right.
but it sounds like there's a lot more to it than meets the eye.
There definitely is. And one of the things that makes it so engaging is the community.
Oh, the community.
Yeah, people are constantly sharing their creations online,
Right.
whether it's a giant castle or a tiny detailed model of their favorite animal.
That's another thing that surprised me about Minecraft is the
Yeah.
community.
Yeah,
It's huge.
it's massive.
They're always coming up with new ideas and challenges.
Yeah, for sure.
Like that one where you have to survive on just one block.
Oh, yeah, the one block challenge.
Have you ever tried that?
I have. It's a lot harder than it looks.
Really?
You have to be really creative and resourceful to make it work. But it's a fun challenge.
Right.
And it really shows you how much you can do with just a little bit of space.
It seems like challenges are a big part of the Minecraft experience.
Definitely.
Do you think that's why so many people enjoy streaming it?
Definitely. Watching someone else play Minecraft can be just as entertaining as playing yourself. And it's a great way to learn new tricks and techniques, you know?
Right.
I know I've picked up a lot of tips from watching streamers.
Me too.
Yeah.
There's something really fascinating about seeing how other people approach the game.
Yeah.
Like some people are amazing builders,
Uh-huh.
while others are really good at surviving in hardcore mode.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And everyone has their own unique style.
Yeah.
Some players focus on building massive, intricate structures, while others prefer to create cozy little villages or hidden underground bases.
Right.
It's all about personal expression, which is one of the things I love most about Minecraft.
It's like a blank canvas, but in a 3D world.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, I'm kind of curious about your personal Minecraft style.
Okay.
Like, what do you enjoy building or doing most in the game?
That's a tough one. I think I'm drawn to building practical things.
Oh, okay.
Like recently, I've been working on a fully automated farm
Wow.
that uses redstone to harvest crops and transport them to storage.
No way.
It's a work in progress, but it's really satisfying to see it all coming together.
That's so cool. I can barely build a decent looking house,
Uh-huh.
let alone a fully automated farm.
Well, you know.
But I guess that's the beauty of Minecraft.
Yeah.
You can set your own goals and challenges.
Yeah.
There's no pressure to be a master builder or a hardcore survivalist.
Right?
You can just play at your own pace and have fun.
Absolutely. And if you're ever feeling stuck, there's a whole community of players out there willing to help.
Okay.
Whether you need building tips, redstone advice, or just someone to play with.
Right.
You'll always find someone to connect with in the Minecraft world.
It sounds like you really appreciate the social aspect of the game.
I do.
Is that one of the main reasons you keep coming back to Minecraft?
It's definitely a big part of it. I've met some great people through Minecraft,
Yeah.
and we've had some amazing adventures together. It's more than just a game.
Yeah.
It's a way to connect with people who share your passion for creativity and exploration.
That's so true. It's like a virtual world where you can build friendships and memories that last a lifetime.
Ah,
I know I have some great memories of playing Minecraft with my friends and family.
me too. And those memories are something you can always revisit.
Yeah.
You can go back to old worlds, see how far you've come,
Great.
and even continue building on what you started. It's a game that keeps on giving.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It sounds like there's a lot more depth to Minecraft than I initially realized.
For sure.
I'm definitely feeling inspired to dive back in and explore all the things we've been talking about.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll even try my hand at building that automated farm.
I'd love to see that. And hey, if you're listening and you're new to Minecraft,
Yeah.
don't be afraid to jump in and experiment
Right.
and never know what you might create.
That's great advice. And if you're a seasoned Minecraft player, we'd love to hear from you.
Oh, yes.
Share your favorite creations or challenges with us.
Yeah.
We might even feature them in a future episode.
We're always looking for new inspiration and ideas. So what are you waiting for? Go forth and create something amazing.
And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating deep dives into the worlds of gaming and beyond.
We've got a lot more adventures to share with you.
Stay tuned.
It's fascinating how Minecraft manages to capture that childlike sense of wonder
Yeah.
and discovery, even for adults.
Totally.
It's like stepping into a world where anything is possible.
It's true. I think that's one of the reasons why it's so popular across generations.
Yeah.
It taps into that universal desire to create, explore, and just have fun
Right.
without any pressure or limitations.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the individual experience.
Right.
Minecraft has fostered this incredible global community
The community.
where people can connect, collaborate, and inspire each other.
You mentioned community projects earlier.
Yeah.
Can you give us an example of something truly impressive that's been created collaboratively in Minecraft?
Oh, there are countless examples.
Yep.
One that comes to mind is the recreation of King's Landing from Game of Thrones.
Oh.
A team of dedicated players spent months meticulously building every detail,
Great.
from the Red Keep to the Great Sept of Baelor.
That's crazy.
It's a testament to the dedication and creativity of the Minecraft community.
Wow. That's incredible. To
Yeah.
think that people would invest so much time and effort into a project like that.
Yeah.
All for the love of the game and the community.
It speaks volumes about the power of shared passion and collaborative creativity.
Totally.
And it's not limited to fictional worlds.
Oh, really?
People have recreated real-world cities, historical landmarks, and even entire countries in Minecraft.
That's like a digital museum,
It is.
preserving history and culture in a way that's interactive and engaging.
For sure.
We've been talking a lot about the creative and community aspects of Minecraft.
Yeah.
But I'm curious about its educational potential.
Okay.
Is it really being used in classrooms effectively?
Absolutely. Minecraft has become a valuable tool for educators across various subjects.
Wow.
It's a fantastic platform for experiential learning, allowing students to engage with concepts in a hands-on, immersive way.
Can you give us some specific examples of how it's being used?
Sure. For instance, in history classes, students can explore ancient civilizations by virtually walking through recreations of Roman cities or Egyptian pyramids.
Wow.
And in math class, they can learn about geometry and spatial reasoning by designing and building structures.
It's amazing how a game can make learning so much more engaging and fun.
Yeah,
It's like sneaking in education under the guise of entertainment.
exactly. And it's not just about traditional subjects.
Oh.
Minecraft is also being used to teach coding design and even problem-solving skills.
Really?
Yeah. It encourages critical thinking and creativity, allowing students to experiment and learn from their mistakes
Right.
in a safe and supportive environment.
I've heard about Minecraft being used to teach coding,
Yeah.
but I'm not exactly sure how that works.
Okay.
Can you explain it a bit further?
Of course. There's a feature in Minecraft called command blocks
Okay.
that allows players to write symbol code to control various aspects of the game.
So it's actually coding.
Yeah.
For example, you can write a command to make a block appear or disappear, or to teleport a player to a specific location.
So by using command blocks, players can essentially program their own mini games and challenges within Minecraft.
Precisely. And it's a great way to introduce kids to the basic concepts of coding
Yeah.
in a fun and engaging way.
Yeah.
They can see the immediate results of their code,
Right.
which makes the learning process much more rewarding.
It's like turning a game into a learning playground.
It is.
I wish I had access to tools like this when I was a kid.
You do?
It would make learning so much more exciting.
I agree. And the beauty of it is that it's not just for kids.
Oh, okay.
Adults can benefit from this type of learning as well.
Interesting.
In fact, there are even professional development courses that use Minecraft
What?
to teach teamwork, communication, and project management skills.
It's incredible how a game that started as a simple sandbox has evolved into this versatile platform. It really is.
For education, creativity, and community building.
It really speaks to the ingenuity and imagination of both the game developers and the passionate community that surrounds it.
For sure.
And who knows what the future holds for Minecraft?
Yeah.
With new updates and features constantly being added, the possibilities seem endless.
I'm excited to see how Minecraft continues to evolve and inspire people of all ages.
Me too.
And speaking of inspiration, I think it's time to hear from our listeners.
Yes.
We'd love to know your thoughts on Minecraft and its impact on your lives.
Absolutely. Share your stories, your favorite creations, your most epic adventures. We want to hear it all.
And if you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of Minecraft, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell
Yes.
so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. So we've talked about the creative freedom, the community, even the educational aspects of Minecraft.
Right.
But I'm curious about like the simple joy of playing it.
Yeah.
What is it about the core gameplay loop that keeps people coming back for more?
I think part of it is the sense of accomplishment. Okay.
That you get from building something with your own two hands.
Right.
Whether it's a humble dirt hut or a towering castle.
Yeah.
There's a real satisfaction that comes from seeing your vision come to life block by block.
I can definitely relate to that. There's something therapeutic about the process of gathering resources, crafting tools, and slowly piecing together a structure. It's like a digital form of Lego,
It is.
but with endless possibilities.
Exactly. And it's not just about building.
Right.
The exploration aspect is equally compelling.
Okay.
Venturing into a dark cave, discovering a hidden ravine, or stumbling upon a rare biome.
Yeah.
Those moments of discovery are what keep the game feeling fresh and exciting.
Oh, and let's not forget the element of danger.
Oh, yeah.
Those nighttime encounters with zombies and skeletons
Right.
can really get your heart racing.
For sure.
There's a certain thrill that comes from surviving against the odds.
Yeah.
Especially in hardcore mode, where death is permanent. Oh, absolutely. The survival aspect adds a layer of intensity and strategy to the game.
Totally.
You have to be constantly aware of your surroundings, manage your resources carefully, and be prepared to defend yourself against hostile mobs.
Right.
It's a constant test of your skills and resilience.
It's amazing how a game with such simple graphics and mechanics
Yeah.
can create such a rich and immersive experience.
It's a testament to the power of imagination.
Right.
Minecraft provides the tools and the framework,
Yeah.
but it's the players who truly bring the world to life
Okay.
with their creativity and ingenuity.
It's like a shared dream
It is.
where everyone contributes their own unique visions and ideas.
Yeah.
And the beauty of it is that there's no right or wrong way to play.
Right.
You could be a builder, an explorer, a farmer, or a redstone engineer, whatever you want to be.
Exactly. And you can switch things up whenever you feel like it.
Oh, yeah.
One day, you might be focused on building an elaborate underground base. And the next day, you might be exploring a distant jungle temple in search of treasure.
Right.
The possibilities are truly endless.
And I think that's what makes Minecraft so special.
Yeah.
It's a game that can be whatever you want it to be.
Mm-hmm.
It's a platform for creativity, a source of adventure, a place to connect with friends, and so much more.
It's a phenomenon that has captured the hearts and minds of millions of players worldwide.
Yeah.
And it shows no signs of slowing down.
As we wrap up our deep dive into the world of Minecraft,
Okay.
I want to leave you with this thought.
Okay.
What will your Minecraft story be?
Will you build a towering city, explore uncharted lands, or create something entirely new and unexpected?
The choice is yours. So go forth, unleash your creativity, and discover the magic of Minecraft for yourself.
And if you enjoyed this episode and want to join us on more fascinating deep dives into all sorts of topics,
Yes.
be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Until next time, happy crafting.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.